Agile user stories are the backbone of successful Agile projects, ensuring that teams deliver value incrementally. But what makes a user story effective? In this video, we'll explore 3 examples of well-written Agile user stories to inspire your next sprint.
Our first example comes from an e-commerce website. The user story reads, "As a customer, I want to filter products by price range so that I can find items within my budget. The acceptance criteria include: the filter displays products within the selected price range. The filter updates dynamically as the user adjusts the range. Products outside the range are hidden." This story focuses on delivering a clear feature that enhances the customer experience.
Next, let's look at a mobile app example. The user story is, "As a user, I want to receive push notifications for new messages so that I don't miss important updates." The acceptance criteria are: notifications appear on the lock screen and notification center. Users can enable or disable notifications in settings. Notifications include a preview of the message. This story ensures that users stay informed while maintaining control over their preferences.
Finally, here's an example from an internal tool. The user story states, "As an admin, I want to export user data to a CSV file so that I can analyze it offline." The acceptance criteria include: the export button is visible on the user management page. The CSV file includes all relevant user data. The file downloads automatically after clicking the button. This story simplifies complex tasks, making life easier for administrators.
These examples highlight the importance of clarity, focus, and testability in Agile user stories. By following the INVEST criteria, independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small, and testable, you can craft user stories that drive value and improve collaboration. For more tips and examples, check out our full blog post on examples of effective Agile user stories.